Boost your online store with e-commerce SEO best practices. Hey there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. Welcome to our YouTube video where we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce SEO best practices. If you're running an online store and looking to supercharge your visibility on search engines, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore a bunch of exciting new strategies and tips that you can apply right away to take your e-commerce website to the next level. So, grab a notepad, get comfy, and let's get started. 1. Master the art of keyword research. To kick things off, let's talk about the importance of keyword research. It's the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. Instead of targeting overly competitive generic keywords, focus on long-tail keywords specific to your products or niche. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner and Ahrefs can help you uncover those golden keywords that your competitors might be overlooking. 2. Optimize product descriptions. Your product descriptions should be both informative and persuasive. Use your chosen keywords naturally within these descriptions, and make sure they accurately reflect the product's features and benefits. Avoid duplicate content, as it can harm your SEO efforts. Each product description should be unique and engaging. 3. Enhance your website's loading speed. A slow-loading website can drive potential customers away. Google considers page speed as a ranking factor, so optimizing your site for speed is crucial. Compress images, use browser caching, and minimize HTTP requests to keep your site running smoothly. 4. Mobile-friendly design. With the majority of online shoppers using mobile devices, your website must be mobile-friendly. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing, so make sure your site looks and performs well on smartphones and tablets. Responsive design is the way to go here. 5. High-quality visual content. Invest in high-quality images and videos of your products. Visual content can significantly impact a customer's decision to buy. Ensure that your images are optimized for the web and include alt text to improve accessibility and SEO. 6. User-friendly navigation. An intuitive and user-friendly website structure is essential. Make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Create clear categories, subcategories, and product filters. The longer visitors stay on your site, the better it is for your SEO. 7. Customer reviews and ratings. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and ratings for your products. Not only do these reviews build trust with potential buyers, but they also provide fresh, user-generated content that can improve your search engine rankings. 8. Secure your website. Google gives preference to secure websites with HTTPS encryption. Ensure your site is secure to not only boost your SEO, but also protect your customers' data. SSL certificates are relatively easy to install and are a must for e-commerce websites. 9. Content marketing and blogging. Create a blog on your e-commerce site and regularly publish relevant, informative, and engaging content. Blog posts can help you target additional keywords, attract organic traffic, and establish your authority in your niche. 10. Monitor and adapt. Finally, remember that SEO is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Search Console. Keep an eye on your competitors and adapt your strategy as needed. Conclusion. There you have it, a treasure trove of e-commerce SEO best practices that you can implement to boost your online store's visibility and profitability. SEO isn't a one-time effort, it's a journey of continuous improvement. Remember, the world of SEO is always evolving, so stay up to date with the latest trends and algorithm changes. Be patient and persistent, and over time, you'll see your e-commerce website rise in the ranks and attract more happy customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching in, and happy optimizing!